Hey guys, thank you for joining me and welcome back. I hope you all are doing well. So today, as you can see, I'm showing you part of my finished project today, and this came out really nice, guys. And I'm going to be making a set of 3 today. So I'm just showing you a preview. And so yeah, I'm going to get started. So I hope you all are doing well today, and thank you so much for watching. I do appreciate it. So I'm going to start with my basics, which are 3 vases from the Dollar Tree. One is a 9-inch vase. These are the cylinder vases, and the other one are 2 7-inch vases. But before I start working on those, I'm going to start with my Lazy Susan. Now this is a Lazy Susan that I picked up from Amazon a couple of years ago, and I'll leave the link in the description section if you're interested in having one for the holidays. And the turning point of it is at the bottom. So what I'm going to do here is just decorate this a little bit. Before I do that, I'm going to clean it off because I want to cover it with some contact paper. The contact paper I'm going to be using is a marble looking contact paper. I got this from Amazon. It's really nice. So I love to use marble contact paper because it kind of elevates my projects, and so it's going to elevate this dish. I'm going to trace a circle and then I'm going to cut it out. So next, I'm going to take the diamond wrap from the Dollar Tree. I've already cut out a long strip of the diamond wrap, and I'm going to use a little hot glue, and I'm going to adhere that to the outer perimeter of the Lazy Susan. Next, I'm going to start working on the cylinder vase. I am going to be using this silver washi tape. I'm going to adhere it to the vase using a little bit of hot glue towards the ends. And here are all three of them together, guys. They look so nice together. I absolutely love the way they look. They look so nice just like this. Absolutely beautiful. So I'm going to clean off any glue strings or any fingerprints that are on the vase. I'm just going to wipe them down very quickly. So the next thing I'm going to do is adhere some snowflakes. These are acrylic snowflakes. These are really nice. I used these once before in another video. I have a ton of these left over. I'm going to use a few of them in this video. And what I'm going to do is show you how it comes. It comes on a chain. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to remove the chain. So I'm just going to use my pliers and just gently peel it away. The wire is not hard to remove. The wire is rather soft. As a matter of fact, if you have strong fingers, I think you can do that with your fingers. And so with a little bit of hot glue, I'm going to adhere it to the top of the vase. And I'm going to do this to the other two as well. Next, I'm going to be using my acrylic Christmas trees. These are nesting Christmas trees. When I originally bought them, I bought a couple of sets. There's a 7-inch, I believe a 5-inch, and a 3-inch Christmas tree. And they come nestled inside one another. But anyway, this set has all been broken up already. And so what I'm going to do is use the tallest Christmas tree. I'm going to use it in the tallest cylinder vase. And so before I do that, I'm going to put some lights inside. I'm going to use fairy lights. I got the fairy lights from Amazon, and I got the acrylic Christmas trees from my discount store. But I will look online. I believe I have found them online for you guys, and I will list it again. So I'm going to take my fairy lights apart. Now my fairy lights I've had for a couple of years. All I do is replace the battery. So I'm going to take that and I'm going to place it inside of the Christmas tree. I'm going to get all the lights nestled inside there, and I'm going to use a little bit of the double bonding adhesive molding tape. I'm going to use a little bit of that to hold the battery pack inside the Christmas tree. And here, guys, here is the 9-inch cylinder vase. Absolutely beautiful. I love the way it looks. This turned out really, really nice. I love the way this looks. This looks clean and simple. It was very easy to make. You let me know what you think. Please don't forget to thumbs up the video, and please don't forget to subscribe. And with that said, you all stay well, stay safe, and stay blessed. And I will see you at the next video. Bye-bye.